In a world that often values external achievements and superficial qualities, it can be challenging to feel valued for who we truly are. However, true worth and value come from within. In this essay, we will explore how to make others value you by first cultivating self-worth and authenticity. Embrace your uniqueness. Recognize that you are a unique individual with a set of strengths, talents, and qualities that distinguish you from others. Embrace your uniqueness and understand that it is a source of value in itself. By celebrating your individuality, you exude confidence and authenticity, which naturally attract others and make them value you for who you truly are. Cultivate self-awareness. Develop a deep understanding of yourself by practicing self-awareness. Reflect on your values, beliefs, passions, and goals. Understand your strengths and weaknesses, and embrace them as integral parts of your identity. By cultivating self-awareness, you gain a clear sense of self and project authenticity, which fosters genuine connections and garners respect from others. Live in alignment with your values. Identify your core values and strive to live in alignment with them. When your actions and choices reflect your values, you present yourself as someone with integrity and conviction. This authenticity is inherently attractive and earns the respect and admiration of others. By living in alignment with your values, you demonstrate consistency and reliability, making others value you for your unwavering principles. Develop confidence and inner strength. Confidence and inner strength are magnetic qualities that command respect and admiration. Cultivate self-confidence by acknowledging your accomplishments and embracing your capabilities. Recognize that you are deserving of respect and value. As you develop inner strength, you become resilient in the face of challenges, allowing others to see your unwavering determination and perseverance. Be a good listener and show empathy. One way to make others value you is by valuing them. Practice active listening and show genuine interest in others' thoughts, feelings, and experiences. By being present and attentive, you create a space for open and meaningful conversations. Additionally, cultivate empathy and compassion to understand others' perspectives and emotions. This empathetic connection fosters deeper relationships and makes others appreciate your ability to truly understand and support them. Demonstrate authenticity in relationships. Authenticity is a vital component of genuine connections. Be open, honest, and transparent in your interactions with others. Avoid pretenses or trying to be someone you're not. When you are authentic, people feel a sense of trust and respect towards you. They appreciate your vulnerability and admire your ability to be true to yourself. Authenticity builds lasting relationships based on mutual respect and appreciation. By embracing your uniqueness, cultivating self-awareness, living in alignment with your values, developing confidence and inner strength, being a good listener, and demonstrating authenticity in relationships, you create a strong sense of self that naturally attracts the respect and admiration of others. Remember, true value comes from being true to yourself and allowing your authentic self to shine, building meaningful connections and nurturing relationships. Now, let us delve into the realm of building meaningful connections and nurturing relationships, which further contribute to how others perceive and value you. Practice empathy and understanding. To make others value you, it is crucial to extend empathy and understanding towards them. Seek to understand their perspectives, emotions, and experiences without judgment. By showing genuine empathy, you create a safe and supportive space for open communication and connection. When others feel heard and understood, they are more likely to value and appreciate your presence in their lives. Be reliable and trustworthy. Reliability and trustworthiness are essential qualities that foster respect and value in relationships. Strive to be someone others can depend on and trust. Keep your word, follow through on commitments, and show consistency in your actions. By demonstrating reliability, you build a reputation as someone who can be counted on, enhancing your value in the eyes of others. Offer support and kindness. Acts of kindness and support go a long way in building meaningful connections. Be there for others when they need assistance or a listening ear. Offer genuine support, encouragement, and constructive feedback when appropriate. By showing kindness and being a source of support, you become a valuable presence in the lives of others, fostering a sense of appreciation and admiration. Cultivate positive communication. Effective communication is essential in building strong relationships. Practice active listening, engage in meaningful conversations, and express yourself honestly and respectfully. Avoid unnecessary conflicts or confrontations, and strive to find common ground and understanding. By cultivating positive communication, you create an environment of trust, respect, and mutual appreciation. Show interest and invest in others. Make an effort to show genuine interest in the lives, ambitions, and achievements of others. Celebrate their successes and provide encouragement during challenging times. Take the time to learn about their passions and hobbies. By investing in others and showing genuine curiosity, you demonstrate that you value them as individuals, fostering reciprocated value and appreciation. Be authentic in your relationships. Be true to yourself and allow your genuine self to shine in your interactions. Avoid pretenses or trying to please others at the expense of your authenticity. When you are authentic, others feel a deeper connection and appreciation for who you are, leading to a stronger sense of value in their eyes. By practicing empathy and understanding, being reliable and trustworthy, offering support and kindness, cultivating positive communication, showing interest and investment in others, and being authentic in your relationships, you create a foundation of mutual respect, trust, and appreciation. Remember, genuine connections are built on a sincere desire to understand, support, and value others. By embodying these principles, you can cultivate strong and meaningful relationships that enhance your value in the lives of those around you. Practice moral virtues. Stoic philosophy emphasizes the importance of moral virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, temperance, and compassion. By embodying these virtues in your thoughts, words, and actions, you not only cultivate your own inner strength but also inspire and influence those around you. Practicing moral virtues allows others to see your integrity, fairness, and compassion, leading them to deeply value you for your virtuous character. Display humility and modesty. Humility and modesty are qualities that make you approachable and relatable. Recognize and acknowledge your achievements and strengths without arrogance or self-importance. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning and growth, remaining open to others' perspectives and insights. By displaying humility and modesty, you create an atmosphere of equality and collaboration, earning the respect and admiration of others. Show gratitude and appreciation. Expressing gratitude and appreciation is a powerful way to make others feel valued and respected. Acknowledge and recognize the contributions and support of those around you. Take the time to express your gratitude sincerely and specifically. By showing gratitude, you foster a positive and uplifting environment, strengthening the bonds between you and others. Demonstrate emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions, as well as empathize with the emotions of others. By developing emotional intelligence, you can navigate interpersonal relationships with empathy, compassion, and understanding. This skill allows you to respond thoughtfully and considerately, making others feel valued, heard, and understood. Cultivate resilience and inner strength. Life presents numerous challenges and setbacks. Cultivating resilience and inner strength allows you to face adversity with grace and determination. By demonstrating resilience, you inspire others to persevere through their own challenges. Your ability to maintain composure, find solutions, and learn from setbacks makes others value your strength and wisdom in navigating life's obstacles. Lead by example. Leadership is not about power or authority but rather about inspiring and influencing others through your actions and character. Lead by example, living in alignment with your values and principles. Be a role model in integrity, honesty, and ethical behavior. By leading with virtue and character, you become someone others admire and respect, increasing your value in their eyes. By practicing moral virtues, displaying humility and modesty, showing gratitude and appreciation, demonstrating emotional intelligence, cultivating resilience and inner strength, and leading by example, you portray a character that inspires respect, admiration, and a sense of value in others. Remember, virtues and character are not just about how others perceive you but also about living a life of integrity and fulfillment. By embodying these principles, you create meaningful connections and leave a lasting impact on those around you.